Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. Today, we're going to talk about the daily life English. Before going to the conversation, let's check some key words and definitions. Errands. Short trips to buy or do something, usually outside the house. Weather. The atmospheric conditions, such as sunshine, rain, or clouds. Relax. To rest and feel comfortable. Fetch. To go and bring back something or someone. Walk in the park. A leisurely stroll in a natural outdoor area. Explore. To travel around to learn about a place. Bicycle. Or bike. A two-wheeled vehicle that you pedal. Exercise. Physical activity to stay healthy. Neighborhood. A local area or community outside a person's house. Chores. Routine household tasks like cleaning or laundry. Recipes. Instructions for cooking dishes. Smoothies. Blended drinks made with fruit, yogurt, or milk. Experimenting. Trying new things or methods. Environmental. Related to nature and protecting the earth. Peaceful. Calm and quiet. Discover. To find or learn something new.
Hey Lisa, how's your day going so far?
Hi, Mike. It's been a pretty busy morning. I just finished my grocery shopping. How about you?
Same here. I've been running errands all morning. The weather is really nice today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm, perfect for going outside. Are you planning to do anything outside later?
I was thinking about taking a walk in the park if the weather stays nice. Do you go there often?
I do. I like walking there on weekends or after work. It's a great place to relax and get some fresh air. Have you been there before?
A few times. I like the large trees and the small lake. It's a peaceful spot. Speaking of plans, do you have anything planned for the evening?
Not much. I might watch a movie or read a book. I've been meaning to start that new novel. What about you?
I might call a few friends and see if they want to grab some dinner. Maybe Thai food or pizza?
Sounds good. I love both. By the way, I saw your new bicycle outside. Do you ride a lot?
Yeah, I've been trying to ride it more often. It's great exercise, and I enjoy exploring new places around the city. Do you bicycle?
Not really, but I've been thinking about trying it sometime. It looks fun.
You should try. It's a good way to stay active, and it's environmentally friendly. Plus, it's a lot of fun to discover new neighborhoods on a bike.
That's true. Anyway, I need to finish some chores at home. Do you usually cook your meals?
I do. Mostly simple stuff. I like making pasta or sandwiches. It's quicker and easy. How about you?
I enjoy cooking too. I've recently been experimenting with salads and healthy smoothies.
Nice. Maybe you can share some recipes with me someday.
Of course, I'd be happy to. Well, I should get going now. I have some laundry to do and a few emails to reply to.
All right, Lisa. It was great chatting with you. Have a relaxing afternoon.
Thanks, Mike. You too. Enjoy your walk later.
Thanks. See you soon.
Bye.